Hi, to find and adjust sound settings on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, as a first step, just open Settings on the phone and here find the tab Sound and Vibration. And now let's take a look at this setting. So firstly, we can set different sound for notifications, ringtone, and alarm. For that, simply pick something as notifications, and now you'll see many options for your notification sound. If you like something from the list, you need to tap this bell icon and choose to select this ringtone. Now we can also go back, choose pre-installed options for ringtone, alarm, and notifications. Let's choose ringtone. And as you can see, there are many default options. Just tap any and it would be set as your ringtone. And if you want to set your custom ringtone notification or alarm sound, then go in this folder Local. Here choose app from which you want to choose your song. For example, music. Then you would need to select your song and tap OK. After that, you can find it in this tab My Ringtones and you can immediately tap this green button to apply this ringtone. So basically you can do this for notifications, ringtone, and alarm. These are the same settings. And after that you can of course adjust volume of your media, of the ringtone, and also of alarm. By the way, if you drag this slider for ringtone to the left till the end, you will enable silent mode. And you can do it if you swipe down and tap this bell icon. So now we disabled silent mode, now we enabled it. Let's go back and we can actually customize silent mode here. So you can enable it and disable from here, and you can silence media in silent mode. And also if you, for example, if you are working at the moment and don't want to be disturbed, you can enable DND mode, which is do not disturb. And here you can customize it. For example, set a schedule. Now let's go back and check Vibrate tab. So here you can enable vibration for calls and in silent mode. For that, tap on switchers so it will light up blue. And to disable, just tap again. And of course, you can enable haptic feedback to receive tactile response to gestures and system controls. And if you turned it on, you can adjust its level by dragging the slider left to reduce and right to increase. Now let's take a look at the next tab, which is sound effects. So here you can find and enable Dolby Atmos for more immersive sound experience and for a better sound quality. Just tap on Dolby Atmos and changes will be applied immediately. Of course, you can find here Equalizer. So in custom one, you can actually customize it by dragging those sliders up or down. You can find here equalizer presets such as pop, classical, hip-hop, and so on. So just choose something from the list, then play your favorite song and check the difference. And also we got here this earphone controls tab. So for example, we can go in this headphone remote buttons and choose to control volume level with the help of buttons or control music playback. And assign buttons we need to customize when headphones are detected. Now let's talk about additional settings. So here we can enable or disable control notification sounds, adjust media sound in multiple apps, multiple audio sources, and of course system sounds. For example, you can enable dial pad tones, so you'll hear sound when you'll be tapping on your keyboard. You can also enable tap sounds, play sound when locking device, when taking screenshots, when uninstalling apps, when deleting items, and when charger is connected. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.